Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Carent WO2 wrist blood pressure monitor. There's an image of the blood pressure monitor right away. This is a wrist blood pressure monitor. It will fit over on your wrist over like this. I'll show you how it's done. It comes with 3 years warranty. It has double users feature, average function, WHO function and large LCD display. I will open this box and show you what's inside very quickly. Right on top, you have a user's manual for the WO2 blood pressure monitor. This is a very important document. You should read this very carefully and keep it safe. This is, after all, a medical device. Now let's take a look at this. Okay, this blood pressure monitor comes in this very neat plastic case. This is a good carrying case. It comes with anti-skid rubber stops as well. This is a good addition. Now let's see what's inside. And there you go. This is what you'll find inside. First up, we have a pair of AAA batteries. This is what you will use to power this device. Now let's take a look at the blood pressure monitor. This comes with this pretty large LCD display that shows you systolic, diastolic and also your heart rate. The start-stop button is right over here, and this is for memory, this is for setting it up. And notice the cuffling. Although it's a Velcro cuffling, it's a small cuffling because this is only supposed to fit around your wrist like so. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to try this out. Let's see. So the battery goes in over here. So if I pull, there you go, it comes out. I will insert the battery. There you go. This is battery number 1 and this is battery number 2. I'm going to strap it to my wrist first and we should be good to go now. I'm going to start this device. I don't know if you can see. There you go, there is display now. And almost immediately it starts measuring my blood pressure and heart rate. You see the numbers going up. It's tightening as well and now it's slowly releasing the pressure. Also there's a counter over here that tells you how long it will take. And there you go, it's over already. It's 127/82 and it's also showing my heart rate. And that's it. This is what you'll find inside the box containing the Carent WO2 wrist blood pressure monitor. Thank you for watching.